TechnoIllustrator. Fine-tuning photos. Learn. Steps. Step 1. Open Windows Live Photo Gallery. Click on Start. All Programs. Windows Live Photo Gallery. Or click on the shortcut on your desktop. Step 2. Open up your folder. Open the folder where you have saved your photos in. To do this, click on File, Include Folder, and the folder you wanted to open. Step 3. Choose an image. Double-click the photo you want to edit. Select Fine-Tune to edit. Step 4. Adjust the exposure. On your right corner, select Adjust Exposure. Lower brightness down to reduce light. Raise contrast up to increase contrast. Lower down shadows and highlights as well. Step 5. Save your file. To save, click on Close File. This will automatically save the changes you have made before closing the image.